In my one of previous videos, we made a smart plant monitoring system, but it was quite simple. So, in this video, we are going to make its version 2. The brain of this project is a Nord MCU ESP8266. Here I am using a 4-channel relay, but we need only 2 channels for this project. I am using 3 sensors, a DHT11, LDR and soil moisture sensor. This is a 220 volt LED. I'm using this as a plant pot. Now follow the following steps to make your Blynk dashboard. Our Blynk dashboard is ready. Now it's time to code our Node MCU. Now take your mobile phone and follow these steps to connect your Node MCU with your Blynk dashboard. As you can see, everything is ready and it looks good. The wiring was a challenging part for me, but I managed it somehow. So here is the final product. So here I have given power using a 5-volt adapter. So as my LED is of 220 volts, so I have taken 2 extra wires out of this adapter which provide 220 volts to my LED. And here is the water tank, and inside is the water pump. It's a submerged water pump. This is an LDR. This is the LDR sensor, DHT sensor. The rope I have used here just for decoration. I don't know if it looks good or not. And there is our soil moisture sensor. And inside here is our electronics. So as Node MCU gives only one 5-volt pin, which is V in pin,
So I've used a piece of a breadboard here, as you can see, a breadboard, and in this breadboard I've given 5 bolts, and my relay is also inside this.
Here, as you can see, everything is set up. Here's my smart prompt system. Here is my Blynk dashboard. This is the temperature gauge. This is the humidity gauge. This is the soil moisture gauge. And this is the light intensity gauge. These two buttons are for LED and for pump. First, I'm going to turn on my LED. As you can see, my LED is turned on. Now, I'm going to use a hairdryer to change the readings of the DHT11 sensor. Here, as you can see, the readings of the temperature and the humidity are changing. If you like the video, press the like button and also subscribe to my channel because I will be making more informative videos like this in the future.